Hello, everyone. Today we'll discuss our sociological research on the topic bad habits of students. Our main source of information is survey that we take on Google Forms. And what are our hypotheses? Our big hypothesis is that a lot of students have the problems with social media addiction or addiction to internet platforms. What are research questions? Main research question is what are the most common bad habits among the students of Asna University, and how do they handle this kind of habits, the bad habits, in their daily life?
So the total number of students is 36 students. The majority of the respondents, to be exact 18 votes, belong to the age group from 16 to 18 years old. And the next largest group is students between the 18 and 20 years old, to be exact 8 votes. The votes cast for the other age, less than 16 old, or for example older than 20 years old, is equal to 10. It indicates the presence of both very young students and more mature as well. So the next step is to identify the gender majority of our survey. 19 of 36 participants are identified themselves as male, which means most of our audience is young men. And there are 7 votes that choose the female, and other 10 choose other or prefer not to say options. The majority of students, and to be exact 75%, have the addiction with social media and other internet platforms. And the other big addictions of students of I2 is addiction to games, addiction to cigarettes, alcohol, drugs, overrating, shopping, and other stuffs. Game might be used as a tool for relax after a hard study or doing a lot of hard work. Meanwhile, cigarettes or alcohols or drugs are a result of anxiety, depression, and other stuffs. Because of university's deadline, a lot of work, a lot of assignments, and no time for doing that. Yes, addiction might be caused by poor finance management as well. Addiction to work or study and lack of addiction very rare for respondents. Only 6 out of 36 have them, which is less than 17%. These 2 options best to have for students because they do not affect for the academic performance, health, finance, and time management as well. But we can see most of students struggle from their addictions, especially from social media. Next important question is how students are handling stress. So the most of participants vote for communication with people. To be exact, 20 people. Others, 14 participants, claimed that they are doing physical activities and watching some films or serials. By that, they are relieving their stress. And other participants, which is minority, 9 out of 36 people, said that they relieve their stress by drinking alcohol or smoking cigarettes. So the next question is how much time do participants spend on social media? 13% states that they spend less than 1 hour in social media, and 33% states that they spend around from 2 to 4 hours a day, and 44% say that they're using social media more than 4 hours a day. So let's look at another important question is how much time participants sleep a day. 14% of participants states that they sleep less than 5 hours a day. 44% of participants states that they sleep around 5 to 6 hours a day. Next, 28% of participants states that they sleep around 7 or 8 hours a day. And 14% again states that they sleep more than 8 hours a day. So, in conclusion, by our sociological research, we find out and prove that our hypothesis was right. A lot of people have the problem and addiction with social media and online platforms, but that's not only the case. They have a lot of problems with smoking, taking alcohol, and a lot of stuffs. And because of that, it leads to a lot of consequences, like the problems in study, and they have problems with sleep as well. So yes, that's our study. So thank you for your attention and have a good day.